Hey Safi, what is today?
My birthday.
How old are you?
3.
Oh boy, what are we going to do right now?
We're going to open my present.
Who's it from?
Nana.
Nana and Pop Pop. Can you say hi, Nana and Pop Pop?
Hi, Nana. Peanuts.
Those are your favorite thing, aren't they? Okay, pull it out. Pull out the present. Pull out the present. No, just get the present.
Wow.
Okay, here, tear it open. Give it a big rip.
Tear into it. What is it? What is that? What is that?
It's a Barbie, Mommy.
It's a Barbie.
What color is Barbie?
Pink.
Oh my goodness. It's a happy birthday Barbie.
Look, Grandma.
Isn't that beautiful? That
Can
was
you
so
look at
nice
the camera and say
of
thank you,
Nana
Nana and Pop Pop?
Thank you, Nana and Papa.
Hey, we have a card. Granddaughter. Dear Safi, you're 2 scoops of cute with sprinkles of fun. The sweetest granddaughter under the sun. That's why you're loved by everyone. Have a happy birthday. With all our love, Pop Pop and Nana. Oh, there's another one.
What is that? Oh, a blinker, I bet, for trick-or-treating.
I bet you're right. Ribbit! That's a big book.
That is a big book. An ABC book.
Look, Grandma.
Oh my goodness, that's
Can you-
beautiful.
What letters are these?
A, B, C, M, U, Y,
That's right. My. What's this?
O, F, I, L, S, T.
First. My first ABC dictionary. We won't get into that.
Yay!
Mommy, can I open my Barbie, Mom?
You can. Say thanks again, Nana and Pop Pop.
Thanks again, Nana and Papa.
Seth.